Today we are talking about the haircut and hairstyle of Lieutenant First Class Wade Jackson from Call of Duty Vanguard. Let me know if you are playing Vanguard, if you're a fan of COD. I've been playing video games since I was very, very young. So I am a pretty hardcore gamer and I try to get all the new games that come out, and that's kind of like what I do as one of my hobbies. So as I'm playing the game, I'm like, you know what? Like, LT has some really nice hair, and I figured let's go over his haircut, let's break it down, and I'm gonna share with you some styling tips and a product that I think would be really, really amazing for you to use if you wanna get that type of hairstyle while it's kind of a, you know, somewhat modern hairstyle still. And also, don't forget, today is Black Friday, and we're doing the 30% off deal going on now all the way through midnight on Cyber Monday, and I'm telling you, it's amazing. 30% off, no discount code needed. Just go to shop.thesalonguy.com and just go crazy. I'm telling you, go buy a bunch of stuff, and it's our biggest sale of the year. So let's talk about Lieutenant's hair. All right, so you may think, oh, it's kind of a shorter hairstyle, it's a bit more cropped. You know, what could be so special? And we'll go in a little bit closer. What would be so special about a haircut like this? Well, first of all, it's very low maintenance, okay? I would say, now, because the lighting is so bright in through here, it's gonna look a little shorter down through here, and it's a little bit finer as far as the stitching of the hair into the mannequin head. So I would say you can use like a number 3 or even a 4 guard, right? All the way throughout the sides here and throughout the back. And then here is where everything kind of blends in and tapers in to where it's probably about an inch, maybe an inch and a half the most throughout the top of the head, and then slightly longer right in through here. But I would say for the most part, everything is fairly consistent as far as the length goes throughout the top of the head. And it's a really simple type of haircut, to be honest with you, just a little bit shorter, blended up into the top, where the top is a little bit longer. And I think as far as product goes, now to each their own, all right? But if you've got that hair type for this haircut, you're gonna be able to maneuver the hair very, very easily. I would suggest Power Cream, okay? Power Cream is our strongest holding product. It's incredible, it's a cream gel, and it's not gonna flake, it's not like a traditional gel. That's why I love this so much. And this falls under my crafted line, and there we go. So we'll take a little pour like that. We're gonna work it through. Now you only wanna work it through a little bit. So you wanna have the product still very, very creamy in your hands, and you still wanna be able to see the product, which will allow it to work through the hair, okay? Now because this product is very, very strong, you gotta act quickly. So then I would take my vent brush. This is my anti-static vent brush, which is available on shop.thesalonguy.com. And then simply, we're just gonna brush everything right into place, and I'm trying to comb this on an angle because of the camera. And then we're just gonna brush this over and work the product into the hair like so. And there it is. Within seconds, we pretty much have that hairstyle. So it's going over this way, kind of coming down like this, and it's very, very close to the head, as you can see. So you can even pat it down with your hands like that, and that's a great way to help push down any sort of calyx, and then you'll be good to go, all right? So this type of style, again, you know, it's easy to achieve if you've got the right hair types. I think the Power Cream is really a great product to help kind of control that hair, and then once this sets in and fully dries, it's not going anywhere, folks. It's not gonna move. If you wanna reshape it over time, I mean, you can, but you're going to really, really loosen that hold. A lot of people say, oh, I want maximum extreme hold, but I want it to be pliable. Well, that doesn't really make sense because maximum hold is going to keep it in place. Pliable means that you can still move it around and reshape it. So you have to really understand that when you can't have both. You want maximum hold, that means set it and forget it, okay? This product, however, once you do brush through it, you can have a lot of pliability. It's not gonna be set it and forget it hold like it is up front, but yeah, you can maneuver it and you'll have some texture and some hold. So, you know, overall, I think it's a great product. But the key to this is really getting that flat front right throughout here. And if you're somebody who wants to have less volume in the hair, just simply after you apply the product, just push down and kind of press down almost like you're trying to iron your hair like this. That helps reduce a lot of that volume. And I think it's really a classic hairstyle. It's simple. It could look great casual. You could also style it differently and add some texture and some more of like a spike type of look. Now this only going to work through a little bit because the product is still a little bit damp, but look, you can transform this into a textured kind of faux hawk or something like that. That's why sometimes people think, oh, if the hair's too short, you can't do anything with it. But in reality, you could actually sometimes do more with short hair. So let me know if you are playing Vanguard, if you maybe have this haircut or enjoy this haircut. And don't forget, Black Friday through Cyber Monday, 30% off, shop.thesalonguy.com.